I've been thinking about converting my car headlamp bulbs from the original halogen to LED. Then one day I turned on the headlights to find that one had stopped working. There was the orange triangle of doom on the dash. I cycled through the options to be told my dipped headlamp beam wasn't working. Opening up the bonnet, there's not really very much room to work. Since I've got big hands, I decided to go in from underneath. I used a Torx wrench to remove 3 screws fairly successfully and took off the protective dust cover from behind the light. The bulb had definitely blown. Here we can see bits of loose filament in the bulb. I decided to replace the bulbs with a pair of LED ones from the internet. Reading the reviews, some people find that LED replacements flicker and the warning lamp actually still stays on. These LED versions supposedly had the extra electronics for a direct replacement. I put in both of the new bulbs and there was no flicker and no warning light. Success.